So today we're making a shrimp po' boy. What makes a good shrimp po' boy in Mississippi is obviously local caught shrimp. We local source it from Southport Seafood. We also source our good French bread from Lee Bakery. How we do our shrimp po' boy here at Southport is that we get a good layer of mayonnaise. Then we top it with some house-made pickles. They got a good little bite to them. A lot of garlic in there. Some fresh Roma tomatoes right on top here. A little salt, pepper. And then a lot of people, they do lettuce. We actually do an arugula blend here. And then we take 8 of these beautifully fried Gulf shrimp here. 7 and 8. Right on top. And in a true Biloxi fashion, most people opt to have it pressed over here. We get a good press on it. So everything comes together. It's a more of a Biloxi tradition than in New Orleans. So, you know, we're here in downtown Biloxi, so we like to favor the press. So get a good diagonal cut on it. Get a beautifully fried shrimp there. Enjoy a great shrimp po' boy from Southport Line.